there's 14 gate hinges. You've got 2 smaller ones here, screw ins. You've got 12 that you hang the gates on. These are 14 inches long. They're pairs. You got 4 of the bigger ones. You got 8 of the smaller ones. You've got 3 turnbuckles. You've got a barn door latch. This fastens your sliding doors up. You've got 1, 2, 5. You got like 10 pairs here of hinges. It's still in the packages. Most of these are. You've got a bunch of screws here. Screw in post. Tie your horses to. Whatever what you want to do. Here's some more little packages. We got more of these hinges than we said. Here, let's go again on the hinges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Got 10 pair of them, plus an extra one here. You got, you probably got about 37 of these little screw-in hooks of different assortments. There's some of your clamps for your hoses and that. Get all that for one money.